Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our number 1 pick is Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. This is an efficient, ultra-reliable do-it-all cleaning and sanitation solution. Designed for performance, ease of use and durability, this steam cleaner delivers the cleaning power of much larger professional units. It can easily remove dirt, grease, and stains while eliminating 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, pathogens, bedbugs, mold and other undesirables from any type of floors, furniture, toys, kitchen appliances, car interiors, grout and tiles, bathrooms and more. Cleaning the most stubborn floor messes is a breeze with this versatile floor tool, which can be used with regular cloths, microfiber pads or microfiber bonnets. Easily restore ceramic and stone tiles to their original shine. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner will be your favorite cleaning tool for years. Our second best steam mop for hardwood floors is Bissell Power Fresh Steam Cleaner. The Bissell Power Fresh Slim Steam Mop provides a superior clean both on and above your floors, converting from an upright steam mop to an extended reach surface cleaner to a portable handheld steam cleaner. Safe to use on all sealed hard floors such as hardwood, ceramic, linoleum, granite and marble. The on-demand steam trigger allows you to dispense just the right amount of steam onto your floors. Steam clean multiple surfaces in your home with a variety of tools that can be used universally on both the extension wand and handheld steam cleaner. Features heater warm-up time of about 30 seconds and power cord length 25 feet. Cleaning is suitable onto surface types like bare floors, countertops, sealed hard floors, pet beds, clothing. For more details, let's watch more. Third choice in our list is Bissell 1806 Steam Floor Cleaner. The Bissell Power Fresh Deluxe Steam Mop provides an easy way to tackle those tough, stuck-on messes with the detachable spot boost brush. Cleaning with the natural power of steam sanitizes floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria without having to use harsh chemicals. For those who enjoy a fresh scent while cleaning, insert the included Spring Breeze fragrance disc into the built-in tray to release a burst of scent. Your Power Fresh Deluxe Steam Mop is safe to use on sealed hard floors including hardwood, linoleum, ceramic, tile, marble, and granite. Using the microfiber pad, use as instructed. It's very easily maneuver around and underneath furniture. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Light and Easy Multifunctional Steam Cleaner. Light and Easy Steam Cleaner's multifunctional steam mop with detachable handheld unit floor steamers cleaner for hardwood. You can select between 3 different intensity settings, that is high, medium, and low, based on your needs. It prevents any steam to be released when in an upright position. Tilt the handle and begin sliding to activate the steam. When using it as a steamer, place your finger over the sensor to activate steaming. Easily detached to be a multi-purpose handheld steamer with various interchangeable attachments. You can remove wrinkles of your thin clothing such as dress and shirt. It is very useful for steam clean furniture, chairs, delicate upholstery, leather, remove odors. For more details, let's watch more.
Introducing a pet-friendly and multifunctional Light and Easy Steam Mop. It provides 3 steam levels for different floor surfaces, including tiles, laminate, hardwood floors, and more. Fill the tank with water, power it up, and it'll be ready in less than 30 seconds, releasing 248 Fahrenheit of superheated steam, killing germs and tackling tough, sticky messes. With a 180-degree pivoting head and an extra long 20-foot power cord. The Steam Mop is lightweight and easy to carry. That's not all. It's also a detachable steam generator to use as a handheld steamer with additional cleaning accessories. The pinpoint nozzle helps clean dirty areas around corners and tight spaces. The flat surface scrubber should be used to clean surfaces such as countertops, mirrors, and windows. Let the Light and Easy Steam Mop do all the hard work so you don't have to.
Last in our top 5 best steam mop for hardwood floors is Shark S5000 3D Steam Cleaner. Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop is our most advanced and easiest to use steam mop ever, so you'll have the right solution for all your cleaning needs, from everyday quick cleanups to whole room deep cleaning. The Shark Genius Steam Mop not only cleans your floors amazingly well, its 3-setting electronic intelligent steam control lets you apply the ideal amount of steam in every situation. You'll get extra targeted steam power with our new Steam Blaster technology, a powerful burst of targeted steam that attacks and loosens tough, stuck-on messes, removing them quickly and effortlessly.